Hi guys, so welcome back to our channel. So today we will talk about some job opportunity like Qualcomm is hiring for associate engineering, okay, and another job is American Express is hiring for analyst data science role. So guys, if you are fresher and if you are job hunting, then you can see the video till the end, okay. So Qualcomm is hiring for associate engineering for Hyderabad Telangana location, okay. Preferred qualification जो है इसमें 1+ year of experience in programming language such as C, C++, Java, Python, 1+ year of experience in database, API, and Git source code management and Preforce. Okay. Principal duty and responsibility जो होगा applied software knowledge and to assist support design development creation and modification and validation of embedded and cloud edge software application and a specialized utility program. Okay, analyze user needs and software requirement, design and implement a small software feature for product and system. Okay, participate in the design coding a small feature unit testing, minor debugging, fixing and integration efforts. Okay, level of responsibility, work under supervision, decision making, affect direct area of work and working group. Okay, require verbal and written communication skill, convey basic routine factual information. Okay, सो गाइज अगर आप इसमें इंटरेस्टेड है तो अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. नंबर 2 जॉब जो है वो है अमेरिकन एक्सप्रेस इज हायरिंग फॉर एनालिस्ट डेटा साइंस फॉर गुरुग्राम हरियाणा लोकेशन. This is hybrid work location option. Okay. So responsibility is the successful candidate will be responsible to manage and control model risk, specify associate to the next generation artificial intelligence or machine learning based model. Okay. This role will evaluate model excellence, strengthen long term shareholder value, and adapt to the changing landscape of both model development innovation, external environment, and highlighted regulatory exception. The specified responsibility include like conduct independent oversight of enterprises wide model with focus of artificial intelligence, machine learning based on model, marketing, credit, fraud, and other business risk type. Okay. Communication result partners, senior leadership, or various model conduct AIML research to explore opportunity and set guidelines. Okay. So minimum qualification जो चाहिए बैचलर required in economics, statistics or related fields. Experience that at least one of the data manipulation such as R, Java, SQL, SAS must have hand-on model development validation experience and good understanding of machine learning like that. Okay. An algorithm such as deep learning and boosting experience with data visualization is a plus point. A strong analytical and relationship and project management skills, driving validation initiated, verbal communication written, good verbal written interpersonal skills and ability to work with effectively in a team environment. Okay. Preferred qualification master degree preferred 1+ year of experience in analytical or big data work stream. Okay. Experience in NLP, NLU and model of chatbot. Okay. Experience in applying advanced static or quantitative technique to solve business problem is preferred. सो गाइज अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं इन दोनों जॉब में तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक होगा, आप जाके अप्लाई कीजिए. अगर आप पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर सब्सक्राइब and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video guys.